Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. It's Only a Paper Moon. It's a popular song published in 1933 with music by Harold Arlen and lyrics by Yip Harburg and Billy Rhodes. I'll sing it and then I'll tell you some more about it and go through all the chords one by one. Say it's only a paper moon sailing over a cardboard sea, but it wouldn't be make-believe if you believed in me. Yes, it's only a canvas sky hanging over a muslin tree, but it wouldn't be make-believe if you believed in me. Without your love, it's a honky-tonk parade. Without your love, it's a melody played in a penny arcade. It's a Barnum and Bailey world, just as phony as it can be. But it wouldn't be make-believe if you believed in me. Without your love, it's a honky-tonk parade. Without your love, it's a melody played in a penny arcade. It's a Barnum and Bailey world, just as phony as it can be. But it wouldn't be make-believe if you believed in me. If you believed in me. If you believed in me. Well, the original title of this song was If You Believed in Me. It was written for an unsuccessful 1932 Broadway play called The Great Magoo. It was also used in the movie Take a Chance, with a cast which included Cliff Edwards, Ukulele Ike, who also did a popular recording of it. The character Blanche Dubois in Tennessee Williams' play A Streetcar Named Desire is also heard singing the song poignantly to describe her life. The song's fame, however, stems from its revival by popular artists in the last years of World War II, with the hit recordings being made by Nat King Cole, Ella Fitzgerald and Benny Goodman. It's now regarded as a jazz and pop standard. Paper Move, incidentally, refers to a film set where everything is artificial, and P.J. Barnum was a notorious showman and hoaxer together with his business partner James Bailey. There's been a couple of films about him as well. I'll go through all the chords. Well, this is another song written in the key of C. It starts in the chord of C. And I do as an introduction the first line, which is C, C sharp diminished seventh, just those two fingers down, D minor, and the G7. It's quite a good introduction to lots of songs. So it's say, it's only a paper moon, D minor again, so G7 over a C, D, and you don't have to do that. You could stay in the C, but it's nice. But it wouldn't D7 be F, take believe. I use a Hawaiian D7, you could use a proper D7 if you want, but that one seems to fit very well. If you G7 believed in me, and a G7 to go to the next bit, which is exactly the same. And then at the end of the second verse, you've got a C7 which leads you into the middle section with an F chord without, now another diminished 7 chord, but this time a C diminished 7. Remember, diminished sevenths have got 4 names, so you could call that a C, an E flat, a G flat, or an A, actually a B double flat, but we won't go into that. Anyway, there it is. And you can play it either with fingers like that, as I do it, or you can play it with a bar chord. Whichever you find more easy. Without your love, D minor, it's a horn key, G7 on parade, G7, C7 again. Without, and I'll do the other one this time, your love, C6, everybody's favourite chord. And a G, melody, D minor 7, which is a little unusual. In a D minor or a D minor 7, which is better, I think, than a G7. And the last section is exactly the same as the first one. Well, I hope you found that interesting and useful and helpful. But as I always say, with the ukulele, whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.